Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Realty. Welcome to our brand new stunning listing located in Cape Coral. We're going to talk about some of the features outside, then I'm going to walk you through the home. Number one, we're on an 80-foot wide by 130-foot deep lot located backed onto a canal, an 80-foot wide canal. And to mention a few more features and benefits is we have a full concrete seawall and a concrete dock, and these canals flow literally 40 miles within the community here. So if you are a boat lover, you can definitely buy a boat and kind of float through the neighborhood. And also on top of mind, flood zones. We are in an X500 zone, which is a flood-free zone. So technically, you don't even need to have flood insurance because the house is in a flood-free zone. But let's have a look on the inside. So welcome into the property. We are 2,150 square feet of living space. We have a 3-car garage. And if you see the interior here, we have full ceramic plank flooring throughout the property, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, and if you look at the baseboards, we're over 8 inches now also. But let's have a look at this kitchen. Full quartz countertops throughout. If you kind of look at the cabinetry here, we actually went up an additional 1 foot to kind of highlight the high ceilings that we have here. All stainless steel appliances, the built-in wall oven and microwave. And the best of the features of this area is, not to mention the size of every window in this property because everything is super large, is these zero corner doors. This was a structural marvel that we had to complete when we built the property. And I'm just going to show you guys what this does. So these doors will go right into the wall. So like today we're in January, and you can have an indoor-outdoor living experience. And then let's have a look at this area here. So if you kind of look at the space here, our lanai is a grand lanai space. These patio doors go right into the master bedroom, dual fan, and we have a rough in for a television set right here when you want to have some outdoor living. And the best is, obviously, we got a beautiful in-ground pool, sun shelf with the bubblers, but it's the size of the cage. Because what we're noticing here at a lot of the builds is these cages are very small or they're uncaged. So what we did is a massive cage, 58 feet wide, and we're about 20 feet deep. And just one more great area we mentioned in the beginning of this video is this area here. So obviously we're on the 80-foot wide canal. You can have the boat tied up at different anchor points. And then if you look at the dock, we have over a 200 square foot dock. And so this area can be great for entertaining, whatever you want to do, or if you're going to do some fishing off the dock. Let's keep it going. Another great feature is the pool bath. If you see this area here, this is a full bathroom with a shower. So we're going to be able to access indoor-outdoor facility here, especially when you have guests over, you want them trekking through the house and wetting all the floors. You can have just this one area contained for guests, and obviously it makes it a lot neater. So it's a dual-purpose bathroom. But let's keep it rolling. So this is the master bedroom. This is the master suite here. So like we mentioned, we have these beautiful patio doors, 8 feet and 8 feet high. They're literally about 7 feet wide. So very, very, you know, what we did when we built the house, we made sure all these windows are going to be as grand as possible. And if you kind of see the windows out here, we're literally about 2 feet above grade here. So you can kind of see the magnitude of these windows if we have 10-foot ceilings, just to kind of give you an idea. And this is the master ensuite. So great walk-in closet. This is going to be just a linen closet here. And this is our master suite. So we have a standalone soaker tub, full glass enclosure, and a separate water closet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or if you want to have a private tour of this property, you can feel free to reach out to me directly at 239-672-0616.